Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to reset network settings on the iPhone 17 Pro. So if you want to reset all of the settings that have to do with Wi-Fi or like networks, so for example you want to delete all of the saved Wi-Fi networks that you have on your phone, you can do that pretty easily by scrolling down, going to General in the settings, then scrolling down again to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then press Reset, and here Reset Network Settings. So press on that. Here you're going to have to enter your passcode to confirm that it's actually you resetting it, and then confirm by pressing Reset Network Settings. Now we're going to wait for the iPhone to restart. So let's wait for that to happen. And once it's restarted, you can see that you can check that the networks and everything that has to do with the networks or Wi-Fi is reset. So let's just wait for the phone to boot up. So there we go, it's almost back on. So let's just wait for that to happen. And once it's done, we're going to check our Wi-Fi settings. So there we go, it's back in action. Let's go to settings, press Wi-Fi, and here as you can see there's pretty much nothing in here anymore. If you press edit and enter our passcode, if you press edit, that's where usually all of the saved networks are. So as you can see, no networks, there's nothing anymore in here. So the settings have been fully reset, so that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.